something called software engineering. What is software engineering? Why do we need to understand this, right? So team, maybe basic definition you heard years ago, but yet, yeah, this is what we've been implementing from that time. So what is software engineering? I'll explain you software engineering with a simple example, team. As we are entering into DevOps culture, this is very important for us to understand. Imagine, okay, Ravi is using Android version 10 in his mobile. Ravi is using Android version 10 in his mobile. He got a notification that Android 11 version is available. So he went through some reviews. He watched a few reviews. He read a few reviews, and he found the development is not perfect. App is shutting down all of a sudden. It is getting hung all of a sudden sometimes. So the apps are not working properly after upgrading to Android version 11. So will Ravi show interest to proceed with the upgrade? Will you show interest if you are in that place to upgrade your mobile knowing there are risks? Do you, team? Do you upgrade your mobile when there are clear reviews, when there are clear experiences, people shared, right? We never. Means it is the development failure. Your application failed in development actually. That's why you are not moving further. Okay, they took all the reviews, they went through the reviews and they standardized it now. Everything is fine. Now they released it again. Again, there are a few issues while installing the change. A few regions are not getting installed. A few processors are not supporting. That is another issue. Operational issue. So again, it is a failure. In this case also, I don't go and upgrade because I don't know whether it gets success on my mobile or failure. This is operational failure, team. What next? Okay, they took the reviews again. Again, they developed new code, and yeah, they sent to everybody. This time, all regions are getting downloaded properly, and the installation is getting support from all the processors on the mobile. So operation is successful. And they announced something like, we don't support in future. If you face any performance issues, if there are any bugs in the operating system with version 11, we don't support in any way in future. If they announce like this, again, do you show interest? Do you show interest if they say like this? Again, no, because nowadays warranty guarantee is the first thing we are checking, right? If you purchase a new laptop, new mobile and all, first we are seeing warranty. How many years warranty they are giving? Can I extend the warranty? These things we are looking for. So definitely we need support from application when we are using that application. So this is one of the important things which is called maintenance technically. So here, team, three things I spoke about. First, development aspect. Next, operation. Finally, maintenance. So if you want to call an application as a perfect application, if you want to call a software as a perfect software, right, there should be a systematic and disciplined way of development, and an efficient operation should be there, and continuous maintenance must be provided. So this is what exactly our software engineering says. If you see the definition, that is how we are thinking all the things we are taking all the things into the consideration, and we are acting accordingly, or we are designing our software. At the end of the day, end user wants efficient software. He does not want to see anywhere lag or something like that in your application. He does not want to see bugs in your application. He does need continuous support. She does need continuous support, right? That is what exactly software engineering says. Let's recollect this definition one more time before moving further. In a successful software, right, any software, if it is successful, three things must be there. Development must be perfect, operation should be efficient, and maintenance should be continuous. This is what software engineering says.